Hey everyone, it's Angela Allen. Welcome back to the Handmade Homestead. Well, it's day 30 in the Every Bit Counts Challenge. The Three Rivers Every Bit Counts Challenge encourages people to put something away every day for the month of August, even if it's just a small project, to add to their pantry, freezers, or food stores for the coming winter and fall and early spring season. My husband and I were joking this morning about the fact that I have a lot of the same things on my counter every day, and I seem to do a lot of similar videos because frankly, this is what we have coming in. This is Swiss Chard. Again, I've already processed some Swiss Chard this morning. More tomatoes. I know you saw these tomatoes yesterday and the day before and probably every day before that. These are not the same tomatoes on my counter. There are new ones pretty much every day. I do process tomatoes almost every day. I put a whole bunch on the dehydrator again yesterday, and those are still drying. So you do see a lot of similar vegetables because, frankly, that's what's coming out of the garden this time of year. So I'm processing what I have to process. Like I said, today I've already started processing. I've done all of the Swiss Chard for the freezer. I've been packing it in like 2 servings. Sometimes I do the stems separately so I can use those in stir fry, and I also use them in our dog food. The other thing I'm processing for today's challenge is tea. Got to get those tea bottles filled up. So I put some sunflower leaves and petals on the dehydrator yesterday, and as of this morning they are dry and ready to blend. So I've added all of the ray flowers and the disc flowers into a bowl with some dried echinacea petals for color and a few green tea leaves just to add a little extra body and fruitiness to the blend. We've got those all mixed up and put into a bottle. I've had some other things I put on the dehydrator as well. These are white pine needles. Not all evergreens are edible, but white pine needles are, and they're full of vitamin C, and I like them in tea. And one of my favorite teas is blackberry leaf tea. I mix it with blackberries and cinnamon in a pot and add hot water and honey. It's delicious. So that wraps up day 30 in the Every Bit Counts Challenge. Tomorrow is day 31 and the end of the challenge. See you then.